Good evening, my dear friends from the press. Lions Clubs International is the world's largest service club organization. Our motto is, we serve. We have close to 9,000 clubs in India with a total membership base of around 3 lakhs. And we answer the needs of the communities, whether they relate to healthcare, youth empowerment, women empowerment, natural disaster, providing scholarships, environment issues, diabetic care, working for the childhood blindness, fighting hunger, and in fact, in any manner, wherever the community needs arise, Lions Clubs are there to make themselves available to answer, to meet those needs. All over the world, we have 14 lakh members. That's 1.4 million. And India is the largest membership country. The service activities are carried out by each of the clubs in every part of the world. And in India, this organization started in 1956. Today, we are present in every state and in every union territory. Of course, in the northeastern states, where the population is also very low, the number of clubs are limited. But Tamil Nadu has the highest density of Lions clubs and Lions membership. In Tamil Nadu alone, we have close to 65,000 members in the various districts, that is the Lions administrative units of the Lions clubs. And they are running blood banks, general hospitals, eye hospitals, environment programs, and various other programs from time to time. We work in collaboration with the government sector and various other corporate entities as well. And while we work with them, the entire purpose is to try and multiply our efforts so that more and more needs can be answered. Every year we conduct one particular event which is called the LCOI Awards, which means Lions Council of India Awards, where we recognize individuals who are not Lions, who are not members of Lions clubs, but who are also providing great service to the communities in different parts of the country. Some of them are industrialists, some of them are top professionals, some of them are in social work. And each of these individuals have been providing support and have been working for community development. Some of them are running colleges, some of them are running various other industries, some of them have global presence as well. We wish to honor them and recognize them and thank them for the wonderful work that they have been doing. We believe Lions do great work, but we can't do it alone. We need to work in partnership, in collaboration, in tandem with others. And we also need to learn from others. We need to have discussions with others. We must recognize others. And on behalf of the people of the country, we also want to say thank you to those wonderful people who are supporting the community needs and doing social work in different parts of the country. So these are the individuals whom we invite, whom we pay our respects, and whom we honor at the LCOI Awards. And today here at Chennai, on the 1st of June 2026, we are going to be honoring 17 such individuals who come from different parts of the country, and in different manners they are really providing great service. By honoring them, we will be motivating them. But also very importantly, we will be learning from their success stories. Perhaps some bridges can be built for working together, for working in partnerships with them. That is the purpose of organizing the LCOI Awards. And for the next 3 days, starting tomorrow, here in Chennai, we will also be having a training program for the Lion leaders of the country who would be conducting the work of the Lions districts in the entire country during the next year, because the Lions year starts on 1st July, ends on 30th June. So just when 1 month left for this year to end and the next year 2026, 2027 to begin, we would be having training programs for the entire leadership of Lions clubs in India here in Chennai for the next 3 days as well. So these are the events that are taking place here in Chennai at ITC Chola. It's preparing for the next year, and today evening, of course, recognizing those individuals who've been providing great service to the entire country. Although they are not Lion members, but they are doing great work, and we would like to say thank you to them and also recognize them. If there are any questions, we'll be very happy to answer. Just for the information of everybody, we have here with us on this table individuals who are serving on the International Board of Lions Clubs International. This is a board which is made up of Lions volunteer leaders from different parts of the world. These are the individuals who are currently serving on the International Board from India.
So the people who you are recognizing now, will you make them as a members?
It's totally up to them. You see, they are not being recognized for just to invite them to become a member. We have 300,000 members across the country. And of course, we want more and more members. But it's not a question of just asking the 17 people to join. It's a question of recognizing them.
Benefits, right,
that's fine. It will be totally up to them whether they would like to join the Lions clubs locally, wherever they are living. And even if they don't join, because we never believe that Lions are the only people who do social work or who do nation-building activities in the country. We believe we are the premier organization. But there are so many others also who are doing, and we have the highest respect for them as well.
So if there are any individuals who want to become a member, though they are not into it, but they would like to contribute to the social activity?
Oh yes, of course.
What is the procedure? Any common individual?
As soon as we get to know somebody wants to join a club, we invite them to come and be a part of one of our meetings, or maybe a couple of our meetings. We also invite them to come and join us for some of our service activities. We want them to understand first what Lions clubs are. We would also like to know them. They are our guests at our meetings, and they are, I would say, very wonderful participants at our service activities. And once they are very sure that they want to become a part of the Lions family, definitely they are most welcome.
Is there any membership fee for that, or is free if they are interested in this?
No. There is definitely a membership fee for joining Lions clubs, because we are an international organization. We have, topmost international quality training programs. We have websites. We have different languages. We have translations. We have meetings across the world. So every Lion has to pay, every member has to pay an annual fee to our international association equivalent to $50, which is kind of around 5,000 rupees. And in addition to that, they also have to defray the costs of their, the meetings locally and the local district administration. Generally, the meeting fee for a member in India is generally in the range of 10,000 to 15,000 annually. Generally, maybe sometimes some clubs who may meet at very high-end places may even be 20,000, but it is totally dependent on the clubs. If some clubs want to meet at a more reasonable place, it may be just 10,000 as well.
It's reasonable.
Yes. Any other question from our friends from the press? Anything that you would like to know?
You can ask in the local language, you can translate also. You want to ask in
Yeah, if you ask, you can speak in Tamil and we'll have a translation done.
Yes.
Our good friend Shankar will translate from Tamil into English, no problem.
நீ கேட்கலாம் தமிழ்ல கேட்கலாம்
17 lions. How did you choose them? What is the procedure?
We send out a request to our lion leaders in the entire country to nominate individuals whom they know, whom they believe are worthy of being recognized at the LCOI awards. And once we receive those applications, we have a small screening body. We don't believe that we are taking a test or we are going to, tick them off. We generally go through the resume that is provided, and if the resume shows that they have been consistently working for community development, supporting community development. Some of them have been supporting it with large financial contributions. Some of them have their own foundations through which they are making a great difference and a great impact. Some of them are themselves great social workers. Some of them are professionals, like some of them are very recognized medical professionals, and we know that they are so well recognized in the entire country, and they are supporting patients, many of them sometimes who cannot even pay. Those are the kind of people we pick up, and we invite them, and they are coming from different parts of the country. I think there are just 2 or 3 out of the 17 who are from Tamil Nadu, and otherwise they're coming all from different parts of the country. Today we will also be launching a program for training our lions together with Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode. Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode is drafting special programs for community service, for community development. What can we do things in a much better manner? How can those activities become more productive by utilizing the same resources? They are getting some special training material done up, and special training material that those training programs would be conducted at IIM Kozhikode. This would also be started this year. In the next few months, what I mean to say, starting from July onwards, that would also be initiated here. Further, we have a Lion member who is the chairperson of the Mannapuram group. He is today going to be charging the Lions clubs across the country to identify individuals who are just graduates and are looking for a starting job in the range of around 20,000 rupees annually. And he is ready to recruit 5,000 such people, give them jobs across the country. Mr. Nandakumar he's a Lion leader. Lion Nandakumar will be providing through Mannapuram jobs to 5,000 individuals, which the Lions clubs would identify in different parts of the country. There are so many, people, young people looking for jobs, and they come to the Lions, and we will be referring to them, and they would be getting up because they are setting up 1,000 branches. So he will be taking advantage of this event also to launch this employment program. So Lions clubs will also become instrumental in trying to get placement, job placement for 5,000 young people in the country.
20,000 per month, am I right, sir?
20,000 per month, of course.
By mistake, you said annually.
I'm sorry, 20,000 per month. That's the salary to start with. I apologize.
So any kind of educational schemes for the poor people?
Yes, we have a lot of scholarships that are offered by the Lions clubs. Different Lions clubs in different parts of the country are promoting a lot of scholarships. We are running schools. We are running some of the, very well organized schools. Lions clubs across the country run more than 200 schools. And in these schools, there are students who pay. At the same time, there are students who do not pay. It's because of the fees that is paid by the paying students that we can accommodate a certain good number of students who are even provided education free of cost. And similarly, also for your information, we run more than 175 eye hospitals in the country, more than 100 general hospitals, 54 blood banks, 50 dialysis centers. So there are various projects that are being run by the Lions across the entire country. And there are more, as I said, more than 200 schools.
Members of Parliament and Mohan Foundation.
Sanjay ji, can you add something more to this? Some more figures? But they will be more interested in knowing the figures actually.
Especially in Tamil Nadu.
At this point of time, I wouldn't have the total breakup in Tamil Nadu, but definitely, as our president said, we run that many schools, and we are also running, environmental, maintain a lot of parks also. If in Tamil Nadu, as this point of time, we cannot, but maybe we can find out and let you know in the course of time. But at this point, we do not have the figures for Tamil Nadu. I think we are also launching another program which is with the Mohan Foundation, which is based in Chennai, that of organ donation, body donation, organ donation. And so that is also something that we're going to be promoting. They create ambassadors, and these ambassadors, so we are going to talk to our Lion members to become the ambassadors who can go and contact individuals and counsel them as to how they can, after death, how can they start the process of getting their body or the parts of the body donated. Because there is a long list of people who are not getting those organs which are so essential for life. So if somebody is died and they can use it, it will be of good use. So we are going to be promoting that also at this event, which we are having the schooling, as our president said. We will also have the presence of some of our members of parliament, if you could.
Yes, we have members of parliament also joining us today. First of all, we'll be having Sri Magunta Srinivasallu Reddy, who's a member of the parliament, and he's a fourth-time MP. We are also going to be having Sri Bida Masthana Rao, who's a Rajya Sabha member, and Sri D. Shanmugam, who's a member of the Shanmugam, who's the MLA, recent MLA, recently elected MLA. He's also a Lion member. So these are all individuals who are into public life, who are into political life, but they are also having wrong relationships as they have been members of the Lions clubs. They will be also joining this event today. I mean, Tamil Nadu has given us some very wonderful leaders in the political field. Our current vice president of the country is also a member of a Lions club from Coimbatore. And we met him in New Delhi, and he was so happy to know how the Lions clubs are working, because he has himself spent many years as a very active Lion member and a very active Lion leader. Thank you.